So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to change your stock halogen turning lights for LEDs. So this is a comparison between the new LED light and stock halogen light. As you can see, the LED one is a little bit longer, and the one thing you have to know that these new LEDs, they have built-in resistors, so you don't need any additional accessories. So when you just plug it in, you have functional LEDs without any errors or hyperflashing. So in the first step, we have to open these plastic covers. These plastic covers are very fragile, so make sure that you don't use a lot of force. I recommend using a flathead screwdriver. So just gently open the covers. The screws have to be removed with Phillips head screwdriver. Once we have removed the screws, we can actually feel that the light is actually kind of loose. So I'm just using a little bit of force, pushing it towards my body. Here we go. Here's the cable. Counterclockwise, opening the cover. There is already put in our new LED light. You can remove the screw just pushing it inside counterclockwise, and it's out. Now the whole light is held by these two metal clips, so we have to push it back like this. The difference is quite noticeable. On the left we have the new LED light, and on the right is the stock halogen light. And here's the result with both LEDs installed.